Scrappy friends, it's Kim back from Making Creative Memories in Time, and I am here today with an unboxing of my mid-November. Can you believe it is mid-November? I can't remember what's in this. I can't remember. I bought this last week at launch. Oh, let's see what we have. Oh, I'm so happy. I am so happy to see what I'm seeing here, friends. To see what I am seeing here. Let's see if there's anything else left in the box. Okay. Let's see what we have. So there is a December Days sticker pack. And this works with Christmas charm beautifully. I love it. And I don't know. We'll have to check. Oh, would you look? So, I can't use this in Roland's book because I've already started something different in Roland's book. But I can use this in my album. Yay! I'm so excited. I love it. Love, love, love it. And you've got some title options. And you've got just some sticker elements. Love that. And that is the December Days. Ooh, hearts. Give me some hearts, please. And thank you. And thank you to all of my subscribers and my new subscribers. And let's see. Here is December Days cut apart tags. Again, if these are still available, I know they were marked hot the other day. If they're still available, I will link them below. And if by some chance they're sold out and they come back, ooh, oh, I have just got this idea to do a tag book when I see the size of these. I think I'm going to do a tag book, friends. Who would be up for a tag book using these tags? If you're here for it, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about doing a tag book now that we see what size these tags are. I love, love, love it. I think we're going to do a tag book, friends. We're going to do a tag book. I love this. There are 6 pages. 6 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided, and that's just it. Where they're double-sided, you cut them once and you get decorative front and back. Tag book. Oh yeah, tag book. I love it. So there's the tags and the stickers. I'm here for it, friends. I'm here for it. And then this is, let's see what all we got here, friends. This goes with the tag, the organza ribbon. This came with the December Days, and you have like that cranberry, silver, and the deep green. I love that. And then, let's see, these go to something else. These are the December Days, and it is some little laser cut embellishments. It's words. December, remember, so much joy, the spirit of Christmas. Best part of the season, very merry, 'tis the season, wonderful tradition, love these moments, reason for the season, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I love, oh, I cannot wait, friends, I cannot wait. And then this goes with that, this goes with that, this goes with that. Here is more Christmas Charm Artsy Add-on Kit. So this was an Artsy Add-on Kit for the Christmas Charm paper. And if you remember, these Artsy Add-on help you build embellishment clusters. It shows you A plus B plus C equals your whole little cluster. And then you get some super cute little cards, photo mats, and journal cards. These are title options, and then your little laser cut pieces. I am so in love with that, friends. And then there is this Life Artsy add-on. And of course, you know me, I had to get these artsy add-ons. I'm here for it. I'm all about it. And these match the This Life collection. Beautiful. And then there was the artsy add-on for Vintage Chic. So if you are an advisor and you are doing the gingerbread crop with Creative Memories Sisters crop, CM Sisters crop, I'm not using this in my collection, but if you wanted to buy this, it would be an option for you to add to the layout that I am creating, because in that CM Sisters crop, the one that happens in December, I am using Vintage Chic. Okay, so then I also got the red shimmer pen. Can't wait to add that to my arsenal. You all know me. I'm all about it. I'm here for it. I'm all about it. Let's see. I am not seeing something that I should have gotten. I should have received the little dimensional add-on for page kit 12. This Life Simple page kit 12. And I can't remember what that was, but I'm not seeing it. I should have received that. I love these simple page kits. They are amazing. And you always get one sticker sheet. And I love this. I love the colors. Who would think about using this beautiful pink and Island Waters and red together? Like, I love it. This is those non-traditional Christmas colors. I love, love, love. And, of course, it's a little more feminine. So this will be pictures of Liliana, either from one of her Christmases past or this Christmas. Love it. And it tells you your colors are Island Water, soft pink, red, beige, and hot fudge. And look, the hard work is done for you, friends. The hard work is done for you. And your paper is double-sided. So even if you didn't want to use this already pre-made base, you could flip it over and use the back side. And then this is your cut apart sheet, and it tells you, it labels it 1 through 9, and the instructions tell you exactly where it goes. It shows you exactly where each piece goes. Can't get any better than simple page kits. And then finally, I have Flurry of Fun, which is that beautiful new designer paper pack for winter. And this is I think I got the decorative bundle, I think. Your coordinating colors are baby blue, blue, navy, coal gray, and cranberry. And we're just going to do, we're just going to do a quick flip of these. Ooh, friends. Friends. Is that gorgeous? I love it. Let's just do a quick flip of the paper. Beautiful. Ooh, I love that stripe. Now, if you did not want to use this stripe on winter paper, perfect for 4th of July, perfect for Memorial Day, Labor Day, any type of patriotic celebration. If you're in the U.S., love that deep navy on the back. Ooh, what a beautiful red plaid. That looks like just frozen ice. Love. And then you've got just some little snowflake. Love, love, love this paper collection, friends. It is beautiful. Look at that snow. Like, just build your own scene. I have some pictures for that of the kids through the years. My niece and nephew. Oh, how pretty. And then I have a feeling Roland is going to be exposed to that this winter, possibly. Beautiful. Love it. And then this is the artsy add-on for Flurry of Fun. I keep wanting to call it Snow Much Fun, but this is Flurry of Fun. And there's your little embellishments and your cards. Love it. I'm here for it. The matte cards. And then I got sledding, because I have pictures of the kids sledding. I got ice fishing. My kids have not been ice fishing, but look at this, friends. This, gone fishing, the men in my family are fishermen. And these things right here, I think I can use, even though it's called ice fishing. a real hobby, that can be used on any fishing. That can be used on any fishing. All of these can be used on any fishing, of course, except ice fishing. But you could totally cut that apart. There's your tackle box. There is another tackle box. How easy could you just cut that little snow out? Or put another, like a word sticker over that. That does not necessarily have to be for fishing. So that's why I went ahead and bought that, is I knew I could turn that into something completely different. And then the Snowmobile embellishments I wanted. And then the cute stickers. Let's take a quick look at these stickers. Oh my, how beautiful. I love this. Look at these borders. And then look at your, ooh, big title. Bigger titles. I am noticing bigger titles. Whoop, whoop. Way to go. Creative Memories. Yes. Hit some hearts if you love that. And then Border Maker cartridge that came with this Buy It All bundle was Mittens and Flurries. Mittens and Flurries. And how cute are these Mittens and Flurries? These, friends, would be perfect to go in a shaker element. Oh, yes. Mittens and snow, perfect for a shaker element. That's what I'm seeing in my head. I will do a shaker element with this page for sure. And then we have Snow Pals, which is a border punch. Well, if I can get it open. Snow Pals border punch. I love it. In the meadow we can build a snowman. I love it. I am so happy with this order that I just received. So any of these products that are available, I will link below. Tell me what's your favorite thing I unboxed today. I'm dying to know. Thanks, friends, and happy scrapping.